Hey y'all, it's 1:28 right now. I was supposed to be out of here 2 hours ago. I wanted to wash laundry. Wash laundry. I wanted to do laundry and then be at my appointment by 3, but it's looking like I don't know. So we gotta head to this laundromat. Look at all the clothes that accumulated since I didn't have my car last week. 3 big ass bags plus the bed sheets. This is me and my daughters and my fiance's clothes. The way I'm posting every day so I can get me a washer and a dryer. So I can get me a place with a washer and dryer. Like, this is... Anyway, let me get out of here. I'll see y'all when I get in the car. Hey, y'all. You see your girl's out of breath. I've been trying to get out of here for at least 2 hours now. I have a eye doctor's appointment and I need to get a new prescription for my contacts because I thought I could just reorder them and they're like, oh no, it's time for you to get a checkup again. I'm like, didn't I just get a checkup? Didn't I just get these glasses? Like, I don't know what type of time they on, but my insurance of course covers it and I'm gonna just get me some free glasses. Like, I want some new glasses because I feel like these glasses are too freaking big. And I thought I was gonna, like, I did love them at first. I'm like, oh, these my Gucci glasses. My Gucci glasses. And now I just hate them. I hate them. They're huge. Like, they block my freaking eyebrows. And I don't like that. I don't know what I was thinking getting these. Like, that's why anything that's designer, like, you don't have to get it. You don't have to get it. Like, I thought I was doing something. And they're cute. I got the transition for them. So they look like sunglasses, like when the sun hit them. So they're cute or whatever. But I just don't like how they frame my face. I don't like it. So anyway, yeah, so I'm on my way to my appointment. And I wanted to wash clothes before my appointment, but it's looking like I shouldn't drag that. So my appointment is at 3 right now. It's 1:46. The laundromat that I'm gonna go to is right, like literally right across the street from my eye doctor. Yeah, I mean, if I could get the clothes in at 2, I mean, it is 1:47. I have to go to the dollar store because I need to get some body wash. My bonus child is coming, my fiance's daughter. She's coming this weekend. And we need body wash. So, yeah, and then I ran out of e.l.f. lip gloss. My favorite lip gloss. Like, the dollar store that I go to, they have it. So, I could kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Oh, yeah, and I need eye solution for my contacts. Like, I just ran out of so much stuff, and I would have had this stuff last week had I had my car. My laundry wouldn't have been piled the hell up had I had my car. In a dollar store with it, my favorite lip gloss, e.l.f. Rose Envy. Okay, I need body wash for these kids. Blackberry. I like this one. And I need to get me a big pot because I broke the top of my pot. I don't want to talk about it. And these pots are mad expensive, like $18. I just need me a pot with a top. $18. Chicken fryer. I need me a good 8-inch. This is for when, like, I make my cornbread. I do plan on making some baked macaroni and cheese. We're running out of aluminum foil, so I know I'm gonna need this. We got that out the way. I got my lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. Well, it's a lip oil. It's so good. It's so good. Ever since I first started using it, like, I used it down to the ground. Like, look at my old one. There's nothing else left. That's a part of my essential stuff. I didn't eat anything, so I'm about to head to this pizza shop, and I'll probably get me an empanada just to last me throughout the day, like, because I'm supposed to be cooking. Like, I have to. So this is what's on my agenda: eye doctor's appointment, laundry, pick up my daughter, and then we go food shopping. So while the food is in the laundry, there's a ShopRite right around the corner. So I'm gonna just go to ShopRite while my clothes are drying, which will take an hour or two. By the time I finish getting everything that I need, my clothes will be ready to come out the dryer. So hopefully it's 2:14. Hopefully I can be in the house by 6 o'clock because I still have to cook. So what I wanted to make was some sweet potatoes, baked macaroni and cheese, some wingettes, like bake them, and some kale. Let me go get something to eat. It's nice out here today. I got on my Crocs and everything. And I'm even getting more comfortable with vlogging outside. Like, I don't care if people look at me. I don't care. I told you my glasses transition, so it look like sunglasses. Fire. I just don't like them. Can I get a beef empanada and a rice ball? That's it. Now I'm waiting for my rice ball and my empanada. Just be eating anything to fill me up, because I don't want to go the whole day without an empty stomach. It's too hot outside and I will pass out. That's happened to me before. And I'm by myself, so I can't be doing that. But we in Leo's right now. So we on day, I think it's day 15, y'all. Day 15. I'm so proud of us. Rice balls, these are really good. And empanadas. Look how big it is. I like the rice balls. They got like ground beef, peas. It's good. It fills me up. This should hold me over until dinner. I wish I could have just did laundry and first. This is that when you have a day off, it's so hard to get out the house when you know you don't have to be anywhere, but I still have so much stuff to do. Don't never tell a bitch that you really love her, cause that's when she gon' melt. God saying what's wrong with you. I remember being in a hole, think about you. Bartenders, run it up. Feeling like I'm Bigger Valley. Can't trust these bitches. I admit I did it. Fuck on your sister and you know I did it. Time smashing that top chart, nigga. I did. And you always got your phone on silent. Hey y'all, so it's 2:51 and I made it to my appointment. I gotta be here at 3 o'clock. So let's just see what they're talking about, because one thing about these people, they really try to get money out of you, and I be like, I have insurance. Got me in a chair. I can't stand that eye puffer thing that they do when they blow the air in your eye. That is so annoying. I be like jumping every time. Get these eyes checked. Hopefully my vision didn't change too much, because then I'm not gonna be able to wear these glasses. And I don't have time for that. About to look at some glasses now. Poor girls with astigmatism. It sucks. But I got some contacts, some free contacts. My lashes is coming off, y'all.
So you're eligible for everything. It looks like you have anywhere from 180 to 200 for the frame.
Okay.
Are you looking for something specific? Like do you prefer plastic over metal or pops of
Plastic
color?
is fine. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I just black frames probably.
Okay,
Nothing too big because my glasses are real. Like the glasses I have now, they're really really big. So I want them a little square
And smaller?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Oh, these are cute. I like these. These are cute too. Boy, I'm a Libra and I'm indecisive, so this is a bad idea. She put so many glasses in front of me. That's a lighter.
Sharon? Yes. Okay.
This is cute. I don't like this shit. No. It's a no for me. Yes.
Oh, the silhouettes, right?
Yeah. It's between these
Try that out one more time without your dots. Make sure you feel good. There you go.
and
That's
these.
good? Yes. Okay. Gotcha.
Obviously, these. Or
You're good. Okay. You're welcome. If you need them adjusted, come in anytime.
Okay, thank you very much.
so.
Okay. Let's see exactly what you want.
Because I'm kind of leaning more towards these.
That one?
Mm-hmm. But I love them both. $1,000 later. Nah, I'm just playing. I got me some new glasses, some contacts. Everything came up to $235. That's not bad. But I still gotta go grocery shopping. And I split them motherfucking payments. I don't know what you thought. So I only pay $150 today, and then when I pick it up, then I'll pay the rest. Like, y'all ain't getting my 77. What Martin said, my 77, they trying to take my 77. Y'all ain't getting it. Time to go to this laundromat. The clothes are in the washer. And now we wait. So we'll wait until the clothes finish washing, and then we're going to throw them in the dryer, and then we're going to head to the grocery store, and then we're going to pick this girl up, and then we're going to head our ass home. I'm done shopping. Got my food back there. I couldn't even show y'all because my phone is literally on 10%. I still got 12 minutes left of the laundry, and the laundromat is only like 5 minutes away. So after that, I could get my daughter and I can get the hell out of Fishkill. It's 5:40, and like I said, we'll be done by 6 o'clock. So I was right. I actually wanted to be home by 6 o'clock, but beggars can't be choosy. But I did everything that I was supposed to do. Now I gotta go home and cook. My day is not over yet. It's just I need my phone so I can play some music on my way home. So we're gonna have to get off this phone, y'all. We're here getting this mac and cheese together. Bae took the kids outside, so now I'm cooking. I'm sorry, y'all. I ain't really get to. I jumped in full mommy mode when I came out. Well, full maid mode. Now let me stop. When I came home, because yeah, we gotta get this food together. So right now I'm setting up the baked mac. The mac is done. The kale, the sweet potatoes, the honey cornbread. And Here's the baked chicken. Falling off the bone.
Hell no, that's rabbits.
Tenderoni. So yeah, y'all, I made the kids plates. Everything is done. So y'all, I'm ending this vlog right here. I'm about to tear this down. I did a lot today. Thank y'all for coming along with me on this journey. It was a long journey. Oh yeah, and guess who got off tomorrow? I do. So let's see what we get into tomorrow. Bye.